In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TikTok Pixel on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your TikTok tracking set up so you can measure conversions, optimize your ads, and better understand how visitors behave on your store. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the screen for the search bar. This search bar is a quick way to find anything inside your Shopify account. Click on it, and from the drop-down options that appear, choose Apps. This tells Shopify that you want to search specifically within the App Store. Now type TikTok into the search field, then press enter on your keyboard to see the results. You'll now be taken to the Shopify App Store search results. Look for the official TikTok app. It should clearly mention TikTok and TikTok for Business in the description. Once you've found it, click on the app to open its page. Here you'll see an overview of what the app does, but for now, go ahead and click the install button. Shopify will guide you through a few installation prompts. Simply follow these on-screen instructions and confirm any permissions so the app can properly connect to your store. After the app finishes installing, you'll be redirected into TikTok's dashboard within Shopify. Here, you'll either see an option to start setup or to continue setup if you've opened it before. Click that to begin the TikTok Pixel configuration. Next, you'll connect your TikTok for business tools. This usually includes your TikTok business account, your business center, and your ads manager. If you already have these accounts, sign in using your usual login details. If you're new to TikTok advertising, you'll be guided through creating a new account. Take your time here and make sure the correct business account is connected so your Pixel tracks data to the right place. Once that's linked, you'll see a section called Data Sharing. Here, TikTok lets you choose between standard, enhanced, or maximum data sharing. Standard shares basic events, while enhanced and maximum send more detailed information to help improve optimization and tracking. Choose the level you're comfortable with based on your privacy needs and advertising goals. Then click. Confirm at the bottom right. You'll then be prompted to enter your company information. Fill in your business name, website, and any other required details accurately, as this information ties your Shopify store to your TikTok business setup. When everything looks correct, scroll down and click Finish Setup at the bottom right. That's it. Your TikTok Pixel is now installed on your Shopify store and ready to start tracking.